It's now day 5 of my birthday vlogs, and hopefully I could get something done today because I am behind on my little plan. But what's up, everyone? My name is Naryua Januar. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my birthday photo shoot. Lord, my edges came out these braids so fast. But I'm going to be doing one of my birthday photo shoots where I'm going to be on my bed with some flowers and the cake and all of that. So right now, I already had got up, brushed my teeth, and ate breakfast and stuff already. But I want to do my skincare so I can do my makeup and figure out what hair I'm going to put on because I might have to curl my wig. I don't know if I should wear black hair or red hair yet. I'm still thinking. So while I do my skincare, we're going to do that. Okay, so my skincare is done. I'm going to make up my bed to make it look cute or whatever for the photo shoot. These coupe glasses from Ikea that I really like. You can't really see the design, but it was really cute. So these flowers from Amazon. They're $40 for them, but I will find a reuse for them, or like if any of my friends and family want to have pictures of them, they can have them. I wanted it to be a big one. Just gonna put the plastic down like this. I have a bunch of roses. softbox and my ring light to bring extra lighting in. Like, you see I have daytime lighting, but it's not the greatest. So I'm just going to have extra light in here. See that? Like, you see that difference in the lighting already? So then I'm going to put my softbox on this side and then my ring light directly over me. Eats. So for anybody that cares, I went to school for graphic arts and design. I took a photography class. I fell in love with photography. And I just been taking my own photos ever since. So, yeah. I gotta figure out how this gonna work. 'Cause in my head, the tray was bigger. My phone for everything. I'm gonna use my iPad to get behind the scenes, but I'm using my phone and this camera to. Okay. So I decided to use this hair instead of dark hair.
I'll sure be damned if I didn't try to be.
Okay. So now I just have to steam my top and do my makeup. I got sick, so this is like 3 hours later. But the hair looks cute. And I still have my patches on, so let's do my makeup and get to it. I changed my mind about trying to steam a button up. I'm just going to put on my beige robe, even though it's beige and not white, but whatever. And then there's the cake. I'm going to have to take it out and put it on the tray. And then we can start taking pictures.